Hi, I'm Jewell Carr. I'm with Trimble Helicopters. This is our Robinson 22. It's our two-seater. We also have a Robinson 44. That is 4 seats, so we can accommodate our pilot and 3 other people. We have a Robinson 66, which has a little bit of a different engine, more power, a little bit more of a utility helicopter. We do Christmas tree farming, things like that. But all of them are available for rent, and we can also do the demo flights in any of those aircraft. Here in Corvallis, we did our aerial photo flight. It was a beautiful day, a little bit of clouds, mostly sun. Was able to capture the property, do quite a few circuits, take someone for a flight and get them used to the helicopter. It's a bit more smooth than an airplane typically, if that's what you're used to.